Hey YouTube, today I'm just making a random YouTube video, so just out in my slime farm, so just made it. It took me like an hour. I'll make a video and it post. I'm gonna make a new slime farm, and so I can have double, and so I can teach you how to make a slime farm. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, it's only like 11 in the morning. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't have a nether portal, so can't really, well, yeah, I know where obsidian is, so, what's in my inventory? I'm in my slime farm. Ah! And what do you know? I just like screwed up stuff. A lot of stuff. So as you can see, I'm just going up. I messed up on the staircase and kind of too lazy to fix it. Ah! That was a fail. So I'm just heading back up the surface. Me and my friends just made a little water park for fun. Trying to. You scared me. You scared me? I'm not there. Yeah. Guys, this is on the Xbox. Doggy! 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 You stay. Don't you come up and stay. Come on, no. No drowning. No. Get up. Oh no! Don't swim away. Who heard that? Did anyone else just hear that zombie? Turn your sound up. Like legit. Like, go back and turn your sound up. I just heard a zombie. This dog is... You're gonna die. I'm telling you, I'm gonna murder you. Come on. Yeah, sorry about that. It was on hard, because I was being a moron. Oh, this is on easy, guys, just to tell you. So it was on hard, and a creeper was chasing me, and I had to get up in the tree. Just didn't want to die. Good. Yeah, I'm gonna cook these pork chops down there. Don't really have a lot, but yeah, I need to go pig hunting. I really need to go pig hunting. Oh, what do you know? Someone out there for me. No, I'm not gonna waste. I'm gonna kill this dog. Murder. No shot. Yay. I'm gonna get you. One day. One day. I'm gonna murder you. By murder? By one day, I mean right now. Yeah, guys, I'm playing offline because I just, number one, my cable is broke. Well, my connection was lost, and I'll just go on his gay website and find it. So, I'm not gonna leave my gamer. Well, I am gonna leave my gamer tag down in the description, but yeah. So, I'm just gonna head back down. Do I? Yeah, I have a couple of furnaces down there. Okay. Who else just heard that zombie? Who else did? Leave it in the description. Did you just hear that zombie? That's like freaking me out. A slime! Oh, yes! Yay! It worked! Oh my god! Uh-huh. You can't beat this. Slime ball. Holy crap, guys. I can't believe that worked. Oh my god, dude. That was my first time. Well, that was epic. Oh yeah, sorry about that. If it's on a table. I can make a shitload of furnaces. Doesn't matter. I don't know why I just made that many. Do I have any coal? No! I don't have any. Wow. I'm gonna have to head back up. I'll be lucky next time. If it's night. Found you, little rat. I'm gonna kill you. So that's where you were. Huh? Can't bug this. Yeah. Thank you for the string. Thanks, man. I like ya. You're being epic. Yeah, but guys, that was awesome. First time making a slime. Well, my like 5th time, and this one actually worked. This one worked. Last time I made a slime spawner, my friend was being a moron, and he decided to get a sword and kill it. And it was the, you know, the medium one. It was the medium one because then it wouldn't have dropped any slime ball or smaller slimes. And that wouldn't have dropped any slime balls. Yeah. P.S. I am on the worst seed ever, and I think it's turning right. Yeah. It's turning right. Dang, safety first, kids. Yeah, sorry, if this if this is too bright, just leave it down in a comment, and I will fix that. Okay, I was just fixing the cam. So, oh, I didn't get another one? Dang it, I didn't get another one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make this thing bigger. Slime farm. Ooh, what do you know? I'm gonna need one of these. I gotta got a slime. Guys, I actually got a slime chunk. Wow, because I went on this awesome website. The guy told me, well, this guy on YouTube, he left a website down in the description. I will try and remember his YouTube channel. If I don't, sorry about that. It's like, it tells you everything where like the slimes are, slime chunks. Yeah, I'm gonna, if a creeper or something else spawns down here, I will be like pausing the video or just like pissed off and killing myself in lava if I hit lava. Do I have a shovel? Yes. Ooh, you go back to that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make this bigger so I can get more slimes, because that slime chunk, well, I only got a little bit of the slime chunk because this is on Xbox and I just go on a certain website for like 2 hours, get all this information. I'm kidding, it only took like 5 minutes. I'm messing with you guys. So yes, sorry about if my like those, what's it called, thing, I forget what it's called, like, oh, I forget. Doesn't really matter, does it? Oh, I'm making this slime. Holy crap, I thought I just hit lava. How the hell could I hit lava, like, down at bedrock? I'm very surprised that a slime spawned. If I can duplicate those slime balls, I'm all set in pistons. Oh, I won. Yep, this is going out good. I killed him, he's done. Got a slime ball. Ooh, found redstone. But it takes a lot longer to mine. I'm not gonna mine that up. Ooh, cool. I'm not gonna mine that because I just don't wanna fall into a death trap. Like lava pouring down on me. Well, yesterday my friend made a cobblestone house for me, and this is in the same world. I was sleeping the next morning. I am like next morning. Ooh, gold. Yeah, jackpot. Kidding. No one really likes gold. Only thing you can do with gold is like make powered rails, and that's not that cool. But they are pretty fun to ride on. You know what? I'm just gonna make that person. Guys, I'm not waiting for night. I'm just kind of bored. I was just randomly. Oh, thought my dog was behind me. No, he's in the other room. Yeah, I'm gonna have to mine that redstone. Fast forward about like 25 seconds. Or wait, no. Put my iron pick out to do this. I don't really like my iron pick. Ah, damn. What? Yeah, I had to make 2 diamond picks for this, but well, one that was partially used on getting cobblestone for a friend. Sorry about that. Stuff just gets in my throat. damn it. I don't get why Iron Pick breaks it so fast. Well, a lot faster than the other ones. Yeah, I'm getting more of a chunk, like a slime chunk. And if anyone doesn't know what those are, just say it down in the description that I don't know what those are, or comment, subscribe, put it down in the subscribe box. And like, so yeah, my friend gave me this channel. I didn't really like the name. He just gave it to me. I don't know why. He made a new one. He made a new one and subscribed to me on this channel. I'm like, what the hell are you doing? This is a... Does anyone know how to strip mine? Yeah, guys, next, the piston and sticky piston update has already came. See that? Sticky piston. So, next update, they will be adding a lot of stuff. Go check out what new updates in Minecraft on Xbox version 1.4.2. I think that is. I think it's that. If it's not, just tell me, I'm so sorry if it's not. I just got kind of confused. Sorry. In next episode, I will be putting on some... Next episode, guys, I'm gonna end it. Comment, rate, subscribe, leave a thumbs up if you like it, and favorite, so I can if I can post some more videos. And well, I'm gonna make a part 2 in a minute. That was really glitchy. In a couple minutes, once I'm done making this a little bit wider. So comment, rate, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, guys, and have a great day.